Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or envelope opening video. Today we have something from militarynames.com, and this was a second day delivery order. So let's get right into it. Let's get you out of here. Thank you. So I had previously ordered some of these, and after some back and forth correspondence, we were able to get this order to me. Looks like it was a little bit pre-opened. Not sure what that's all about, but it's here. It's all matters. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the manifest. Everything always comes in its own bag, so in case there's inclement weather, your stuff will be nice and dry. So I do have a multi-page order here, and they do manually go through the order and make their own notes. And see here that they go through and double check everything on the criteria. Right, see how they made little notes here, as well as quantity, and they've even double checked on some of these. They've made sure, and sometimes I believe if they have multiple people working on the order or different departments, there will be a different color code. So I'm going to keep this off camera, and I always have a little bit of difficulty going through the manifest because I do order a lot of stuff from them. Again, militarynames.com, and let me restart. They have pre-made items like flag patches, unit patches, flag patches, and you can custom order your name tapes on a variety of materials, as well as whether or not they have hook fasteners, yes or no, and thread color, lettering size, format, and length, depending on the actual specific type of name tape, and then they'll take it from there. So I may not, in this case, describe everything that is included in here, because there's, as you can see, quite a few that I did order of the custom stuff, but I will try to be more specific on the generic type stuff. How about that? To be fair. So let's look at the simplest stuff first, because I'm feeling admittedly lazy today. It is quite a warm day and it's taking its toll on me. I've actually adjusted the light because it is blazing through the window right now. And let's take a look at 3 types of hook fastener, male Velcro, and these are all 1 yard items with 2-inch hook, male sides. So I did order 3 types of pattern or coloration. Get this piece of tape off there. That's interesting how I did that. I'd keep that there in case I need to reuse that tape. And this came in its own bag too. So you can see here, these are 2 inches across, and 3 types of material here. Looks like they had a little bit of fluff. That shows that it works. So, 3 colors I had were desert sand, tan 499, and foliage green, which typically goes with ACU but can go with anything that's light green, etc. I use these to cover up blank areas that I will not be putting patches and etc. on certain types of uniforms. So again, those are 1 yard. Oh, I didn't even notice that. They actually put these on. These are useful too for covering small areas and for cinching things up. Thank you. That's a nice little add-on. I like that. So set these right off here to the edge of the camera. Although they're starting to stick to my little blanket background here. And then, let's see, you can always reuse these bags. There's no holes in them, so these are useful for storing pamphlets, booklets, patches, patch backings in case you've used the patches or whatever. So let's take a look at some of these right here. Working our way backwards, it looks like I have some flag patches and hear me flip it. Okay, we have some full color British flags. I ordered one, so it just happens to be plural. I'm not going to take it out of the packet, but it is Velcro backed. You can see the way that it's put together and the sharpness of the assembly. I like that, the way it kind of hits the light. So again, full color British flag with Velcro, yes. And then we have an olive drab British flag with hook fastener, Velcro, yes. One of those. And this is a, well, you're probably already way ahead of me, but St. George's Cross MultiCam flag with hook fastener. So you guys can look up the history of the St. George's Cross for yourself. Put these in the right orientation there. And because I do have a friend who is a YouTuber, this is going to be going to him as a present later in the year. This is a Canadian flag, full color with hook fastener, with Velcro, yes. So Devin K, feel free to check out his YouTube channel. This is going to be on the way to you if you have not already received it, because I do put a delay on my video releases. So let's see. I am just going to go through this real quick and just show you the variety of patches here. And if I can name these, I will, but there's a lot of them. So this could be, this looks like the MCCUU name tape in the 3.5 inch, 3/4 inch lettering, 3.5 inch long. That's one of those. This one looks like a Desert 3 color. I'm just going to lay them out. How about that? And actually see if I can elevate this so it's a little bit closer. Let's see if I can find another box to elevate this with. Just take this handy dandy old Camo box. Okay. That one. Let's see, we got different thread pattern. We got 2 of these. Looks like. This looks like a longer DSCMU. Looks like a Swiss Forest. Looks like a few more of these. A few more of these. Ooh, looks like possibly some A-TACS. And then a couple of the, ooh, very nice. Will it fit? Okay. So let me just get this a little bit closer. Let's see. I'll go ahead and read off the list, and you can do your own mix and matching to figure out which ones are which. So, no particular order to match this. We have a DSMCUU name tape, hook fastener with the Desert MCUU thread, pattern 1957. It's That's the code for that. 3/4 inch lettering, standard, all capital lettering, 4.5 inches long with Velcro. That would be that one. We already went over this one, the 3.5 inch. We have a Swiss Forest 5-inch long space blue thread. That would be that one. Dutch Sierra fabric space blue 3/4 inch 5-inch long. Not sure which that one is. Possibly that one. Don't hold me to it. I'm just going to keep reading. Jungle Stalker fabric space blue thread, also 5-inch long. We already went over the flags. Custom A-TACS AU, 2 of these. So I'd order 2 of the Jungle Stalker. These are probably the Jungle Stalker right here. I could be wrong. It's been a while since I ordered these. All those are 5-inch long. Custom A-TACS, 5-inch long. We also had custom A-TACS Foilage Green. Should be 2 of those. I believe that's these 2. Or is it these 2? Oh my gosh. Custom A-TACS AU. We also have TROPIC MultiCam. That might be these 2. Those are 5-inch long. We have some that are actually 4-inch long. Let's see. So, let's see. Tropic Multicam. Well, might be these 2. That's the Tropic Multicam, because these are 4-inch long. And then we have the Desert Tricolor. Also 4-inch long. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to linger too long over that, but you can see the variety of fabrics and links. All these I had selected in 3/4 inch high lettering. And you can see the quality of the stitch work, the fabric, etc. Very uniform. Play on words there. So again, all of these did come from militarynames.com. They do support our folks in the military with their orders because these do fit the regulation standards, as well as other items such as the flag patches. They also have unit patches in case you need to pad out your uniforms with your units, etc. And we had also ordered some of these 2-inch male side only, kind of the blank material. Let's see how they close up on the material there. And again, desert tan. Desert Sand, Foilage Green, and Tan 499. So, again, these all came from militarynames.com. Feel free to place your custom orders there. Dropping stuff all over the place, sliding around. Variety of fabrics, patterns, and you can specify whether or not you want just embroidered or with the Velcro as well. So, quick unboxing or envelope opening video. We also do other unboxing videos on the channel. Feel free to check those out, as well as more specific show and tell videos on specific items, as well as curios for the curious and more artsy type objects, as well as a selection of book and media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.